We're like family. This is a phrase that's become quite popular in our places of work to try to make work feel a little less like this and a little bit more like this. It's a phrase that started in the last decade or two to try to elicit feelings of warmth and belonging and really that cool culture vibe. The laid-back break rooms with the beanbag chairs and the beer on tap and those tight-knit teams that got through everything together like a family. Is how calling work our family can actually be quite detrimental to our mental and emotional health without our knowing it. Which is why I'm here today to offer the reminder that work is not your family, and to explore how this cool culture catchphrase often ends up breeding burnout instead.
So my grandfather started the business in 1952, so third generation family business. So we're proud of that, and we like to think of it as one big family here at Whelen.
Now, the reason this topic, exploring how calling work our family can be problematic and breed burnout, the reason it's important to me is because I've personally lived it. Doing so psychologically infers a really big blur and betrayal in our boundaries. Work and family are different entities with different goals, expectations, and responsibilities, and therefore should be separated and boundaried. For example, I'm not going to be in the shower one day and notice a really weird mole on my pregnant belly and roll into my boss's office like I would my mom and be like, hey, can you get in here and look at this? This looks kind of weird. I'm freaked out. To where maybe we land into a workplace and we hear we're like family and our brain just triggers into give it everything no matter what. We sacrifice our boundaries, our time, our relationships, and we start living life in these big swings of overworking to burnout. And maybe we rationally know that it's not the healthiest pattern in our life, but we feel stuck.
One of the main reasons this happens is because a lot of these companies have what's called a company family. It's a psychological tactic for a company or a business to make you feel like they're invested in you and that you're kind of like loyal to them and that you owe them something, and we're welcoming you into our family. So happy to have you, but at the same time, they will snap their fingers and you'll be gone. And so a company family really only works one way. It's more of like if the head of the household was like this narcissist and he held all control and you can only do what I say, when I say it, how I say it, or else you're out of the family type deal, which doesn't really feel like family. Let me read you an email that I got when I got a job offer. The email was welcoming me to a company family. Yeah, I'll read you what it says. Good morning, Josh. I'd like to welcome you to the company family. You're in good hands with Matt and the rest of the dev team. We've got quite a mission ahead of us, and you'll play an important role in helping us move forward. I look forward to meeting you in the near future. I didn't think much about it at the time. I just thought it was a really welcoming message. When we grow up and we're in school and we're kind of like told that like, oh, you'll get a good job, your company will take care of you, you'll have nice, safe benefits. They will take care of you as long as you take care of them. And that's kind of like what we all believe. The people in the comments, maybe you had experiences earlier than us, but I'd say the majority of people, we don't know any better. We expect to get a job, we expect to work there for 40 years until we retire. It can be hard to accept it's just business if you're not aware of that being a thing. You hear it, but it doesn't ring true until it happens to you, and then you're on the other end of the deal. You know, you got the short straw.
So my grandfather started the business in 1952, so third generation family business. So we're proud of that, and we like to think of it as one big family here at Whelen.